Okay, we're now going to take a look at how to install the ICSW7C or its three-phase equivalent, the ICSW7C. Okay, for the purpose of this demo video, obviously you can see this unit here is mounted to a post. Of course, it can be mounted to the wall as well. Now, the unit comes with the back plate and the front of the charger connected. Obviously, you want to get into the back of the charger. So once you remove the security screw from underneath the charger, quite simply, just pop off the front of the unit and that gives you access to the back plate. Obviously, looking at the back plate here, you can see it's got the bolt places where you need to mount the back plate to the wall or the post. Run your supply cable, which can of course either come from bottom entry or rear entry. Do refer to the wiring diagrams on the back plate depending on the site that you are working on. And once you have connected your supply to the terminals, okay, you can connect the cassette onto the unit, there's power to the unit, and obviously return the security screw in the bottom. Please do not forget to keep these to hand. You get a couple of cards in the packaging with the unit, may be important further down the line when it comes to commissioning.